Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this Stay Quirky Badass Eye Kajal. Now this one actually came in my PR mail and this is not a sponsored video. They requested me to do a review on this Kajal pencil. So yes, I thought of giving it a try and to test out and to give a review on this. The best part is it retails only for ₹125 and you can find the product in purple.com or Stay Quirky's official website. I will link all the links in the description box below. You can definitely check it out. Now what this kajal actually claims to do. First thing is first, it is a smudge proof kajal and it is waterproof and it is dermatologically tested. Now this is a retractable kind of kajal pencils as like any others that's there in the market nowadays. And this retails for ₹125 and which is like a big steal. And to speak about the pigmentation and the consistency and texture and all those things, this stuff is extremely creamy and pigmented. So I'll just swatch and show you like what one stroke looks like and what like 2 or 3 strokes looks like. This is how one stroke looks like. It is quite pigmented. And if you actually work on this, you get an intense pigmentation, an intense black effect. They do also have this intense black variant which costs for ₹200. You can also try that out. Now this one is waterproof. I would like to compare this with L18 Kajal. Now when compared with L18 Kajal, this is same as L18 Kajal. It is not itchy, it is not irritating, it glides smoothly on the waterline. It is not like any other kajal pencils that has mostly wax in them, and it's very tough to put the product into your waterline because basically we love to stuff the kajal on a waterline. This one actually glides and melts onto your waterline so well. The only con is that like usual kajals that are out there in the market, they actually settle at this part, the inner corner. The kajal actually moves and settles on your tear duct or the inner corner of your eyes as like any others that are out there in the market. Now that's the big thing. I don't know why it happens. It happens to most of us girls, especially to me. I'll just draw only from the outer corner to this part. I'll not go over here. Again, this kajal settles on the tear duct as I said, so definitely with this kajal also I'll definitely not be applying on the inner part. I decided to get you a bit zoomed in to show you guys how the kajal actually works. That's it. The pigmentation is quite good and it also does a good job when it comes to the the application. It is creamy and it is effortless as well. Definitely with one stroke you will not get what you desire. So I would recommend you to go overboard until you get satisfied, because with kajal that's what we actually do and that's completely fine. I would also like to slightly get this down just on the outer 1/3 of my lower lash line, if you know what I mean. Also I'm going to tightline my upper waterline. As you can see, this one is quite pigmented and does its job amazingly well. And I can guarantee you this actually stays up on your waterline for 5 to 6 hours. Solid 5 to 6 hours without smudging and smearing. After that you could see that the kajal kind of fades away on your waterline. Now if you have applied on your lash line, it stays there without smudging and without budging. But if you actually apply on your waterline as I did today, then after 5 hours you would definitely be able to see that the kajal has disappeared a bit. That's all I have to say about this kajal. Now this one is an affordable kajal and you can get this from purple.com. Again, this one is not a sponsored video. They have asked me to do a review and yeah, I hope you all like this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And to all of my subscribers, thank you so very much for all your support so far. Keep supporting and thank you again, and I will see you all in my next one. Also, I just wanted to show you my tattoos. I just did this. I first did it here just with the... I was not able to, show this properly, show off this. So I decided to put on here. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.